Let's make a super pretty spring-inspired cup. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. So I'm using Universal White and this flippin' awesome paint, and the color in this is mustard. I'm also using some dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So here's the thing, it is snowing in April here. Are you kidding me? So I'm just going to try to make my own flowers now. That is it. So what I have here is that Universal White paint that I got from Crystalac, and I'm using a pencil eraser. Now, if you had a Q-tip, which if I had one, I would have used one, but I don't have one. So all I'm doing is dabbing my pencil eraser in the paint, and then I'm dabbing it onto my glass. This is a glass from Dollar Tree, and all I did was wipe it down first with some rubbing alcohol to make sure that the oils were off. But see how I'm doing now. I chose to use mine on 4 petals, but you could do yours however you see fit. Now you'll see here how I pressed a little. The key is not pressing hard. If you press too hard, you see how I pressed too hard and you could see like it was almost like shadowed. You don't want to press too hard. Just want to just gently dab on the paint. So see, don't be afraid to just dab the paint and go right to it. Originally, I was doing it and I was like, oh, and I was being like, oh, I got to practice. No, just go to it. Just stop being afraid. It's a Dollar Tree glass. If you screw it up, it's okay. It's a Dollar Tree glass. It could wipe, and you could wipe it off. It's fine. No worries. But I did this the entire glass, however you would like, how much ever you'd like. I only did like halfway down. I did not go to the rest of it because I don't like making cups and tumblers and all of the things where my where the part where you sip from, the mouth of it, I want to keep that free from anything because most stuff that you use isn't going to be food safe. So we just want to make sure that we're safe. And I like to err on the side of caution. Now you'll see here, I did 5 little dots. You could do as many as you want. Depending on how big your eraser is or your Q-tip, you know, like you could do as many as you wanted. I liked the 4. So I did all that I was going to do. Then I let it dry. Next, once it's dry, I'm doing the same process, except I'm doing the yellow and I'm just doing a dot in the middle. Look at this. Are you kidding? Look how cute this is. I love it. And then I thought, when I was doing this, I thought, oh my gosh, would this not be adorable in pink? And they would almost look like cherry blossoms. Yeah. So, all right. So then you're going to let that dry. Once it's fully dry, I have my dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I'm pouring some out just so I can do the same process. I'm just dipping my pencil in the Mod Podge, and I'm doing the same thing. You don't want to press hard. You don't want to rub it around on there. I'm just dotting them. And it looks like I'm pressing hard. I'm not. I am kind of making sure that the dishwasher safe Mod Podge goes over the petal just so that it seals it in. Go through all of your petals and look at this. Let it dry, and now it's washable. And what? If you let it dry for like 21 days, which who has the time for that? Hello. But if you did, you can put it in the dishwasher. I never put my stuff in the dishwasher though. So I just let it dry fully, and now it's hand washable. And are you kidding me? Look how cute. So there, I don't care if it's snowing outside. I've got flowers inside now. Woohoo! All right, friends. Thanks for watching. And I hope this inspires you.